Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Inside this particular video, I want to show you guys another powerful indicator, and this is the combination of two indicators together to give us a best and accurate signal in the market. So all what you need to do is to understand how this indicator works. Firstly, we have to see that this is boom 500 on 5 minute time frames, and we can see that we have the trend of the market here. This is the first indicator on the chart. We show the trend of the market, and this arrow is our signal for us to take the trade. And the yellow line that you see here represent the downtrend, while the blue line that you see here represent the uptrend in the market. So anytime we have the downtrend in the market, then we have the signal for the red signal. Then that means that we are going for a downtrend in the market. And anytime we have our blue line shown in the trend, and we have our green arrow indicator here appear on the chart, then it shows that we have a uptrend in the market. So this is how to follow the analysis, and you are going to be making a lot of profit with this particular indicator. So as we can see, this is the last signal that we have on the chart. The signal told us that we have an uptrend in the market. So every green arrow that we see on that particular move is our movement to take. And this is the first one we see. We can see how accurate it is. It go on the uptrend, and secondly we have the downtrend there, which is the yellow line on the market. And here it appears that we have our red arrow at this particular spot, and we can see that it shows to us that we are on a downtrend move. You can see that. So we can see more of it again. So let's go and see and check this out so that we can see. So you have to understand this particular indicator to have the full knowledge of it, so that when you have the full knowledge of it, you can easily see how this perfect indicator works. You can see this is another move of it, and when we have the uptrend like this, then when we have the blue line that show the uptrend in the market, then we can easily trade every of our green candle here for the uptrend move. You can see the uptrend move is very accurate at this particular moment. So the next move we have in the market is another downtrend move. You can see at this particular area that the trend is moving on the downward trend. So we have our arrow that indicates to us for downtrend signal for here, and you can see that it is very accurate at this particular moment, which show to us that we have a uptrend in the markets. And also we have another arrow signal at this particular area, which show the downtrend of the markets. And so let me show you another one at this particular area so that you can see that this particular indicator works according to what we have it here. And this is a uptrend market in the move for us. So it means it represents that every green arrow that we see on the trade, we are going to be taking every green arrow on the trade. So this is how to take it. So we can see that we have a uptrend move at this particular time, and we can see what our green arrow did at this particular area. So if you enter this particular zone, you already know how much profit you are going to be making with this. And also this is another signal for us to take for uptrend, and we still currently on that particular move. You can see how strong it is. And the same thing also happened here. We have the downtrend signal, we have the downtrend trend, and it happens that we have our red arrow signal at this particular time, which shows the downtrend in the market. So this indicator is very powerful, and it is one of the best indicators that you can help yourself with. So for you to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to reach out to me, join our Telegram group, and you are going to get access to our indicator. And also this indicator is not for free. If you are looking for free thing, then you can join any random group to get that. So and also you need to also understand that to have the full knowledge of this understanding will cost you a little bit. And also I will also provide you the full license of this indicator. So this is how this perfect indicator works, and it has been working massively, and a lot of people have been making profit with this. So see you guys in our next video.